Welcome to 2021. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh. Every week, I share great content on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find value in my video, all I ask is that you smash the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos from me. In this video, we are going to look at 7 things you need to do with your money in 2021 to build your wealth. Make sure to watch till the end for the number 1 thing you need to do with your money in 2021. Number 7. What did you learn from 2020? 2020 was a challenging year for everyone due to the health pandemic, with so many lives lost and financial hardships on a global scale. One of the biggest lessons learned from 2020 is the fact that you cannot rely on only one source of income, that is, your job. During most of 2020, there was a global lockdown that impacted economies globally. Many people lost their only source of income and had to rely on governments for assistance. A vast majority of the population lacked any form of savings to tide them through these challenging times. 2020 has shown why it is absolutely essential that we have our financial lives in order to ensure that when the next global crisis hits, we are prepared. So my question to you is, what did you learn from 2020? And what are your financial plans for 2021? Number 6. Save for emergencies. One of the best ways to hedge against economic turmoil is to have an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses saved up. Life happens to everyone, and we must be prepared when emergencies occur. Cars will break down, appliances will need replacing, and so on. How are you going to handle emergencies in your life? For 2021, you must start an emergency fund and save at least 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses in a savings account. Make this a top priority in 2021. Number 5. Protect your family. Will your family be well taken care of if something were to happen to you? The best way to protect your family is by having disability insurance and adequate life insurance. Disability insurance is necessary in the event that you become disabled and cannot earn an income, while life insurance is essential in the event of your untimely demise. This is usually a topic most people never discuss. However, life is very unpredictable and people do die. Make sure in 2021, you evaluate all your insurance policies to ensure that you have the right amounts of coverage necessary to protect your family. Number 4. Minimize your taxes. Avoiding taxes is illegal, but minimizing taxes is not. I am not a tax professional, and anything discussed here is just my opinion. Make sure to consult a tax professional for your individual circumstance. One of the best ways to minimize your tax exposure is by having a business. The tax code allows business owners to legally deduct business expenses from their income, thereby reducing the amount of tax they pay. There are many businesses that you can embark on, and one of the quickest ways is to start an online business. If you need more information on different types of businesses you can start online, make sure to watch till the end, and I will have a link to a video I made on this topic. Number 3. Pay off your consumer debts. We live in a materialistic society, and we are inundated with advertisements and marketing tactics designed to make you part ways with your money. Debt robs you of opportunities to create wealth and financial independence. One of the biggest reasons for debt today is because credit is readily available, and most consumer debt comes at a high cost due to high interest rates. If you ever want to be financially independent and build wealth in 2021, you must get rid of all your bad debt. Check my channel for a video I made on the net worth formula. You will find value in it. Make 2021 the year you pay off your bad debts. Number 2. Grow your net worth. In my video The Net Worth Formula, I explained how you can calculate your net worth. Make sure to watch this video. Your net worth is calculated by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets, and what is left is your net worth. The wealthy invest their resources in acquiring income-producing assets, which in turn increases their net worth. A key component is having enough income to acquire assets, which is why it is essential that you have multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income gives you the resources needed to acquire more income-producing assets. Therefore, in 2021, you must develop more streams of income. Check my channel for ideas on how to develop multiple streams of income. If you found value so far, hit the like button and share this video with someone you know could benefit from it. Number 1. Invest your money. The only way to be financially independent is to invest your money in income-producing assets. Some examples of these are investment real estate, the stock market, precious metals, businesses, and so on. The internet has leveled the playing field today, and there are lots of opportunities available today. Make a decision now to take advantage of these opportunities and make 2021 your breakthrough year. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and I shall see you in the next videos.